like I say, the former Deputy Minister of Transport, former Member of Parliament, and a potential former Greater Accra Regional Minister, former Chief Executive Valco, and a potential, in fact, not just a potential, incoming national organizer. Per the results the other time, no, it's clear. Say, Onyame MS here in no, Athena said this time round. Now, on my establishing, na era Titus Glover, I could the party name as the national organizer for the New Patriotic Party. Honorable Glover, Machine na ohuye. Oh, Nyame Adom. What the Kasa Bibri, right?
Oh, yeah, kakran.
So Kasa be saying?
Oh, at least 7, 8.
Ghana Kasa Nkwan.
Ghana Kasa Nkwan.
North Kasa be naughty.
Oh, me can't chokushi.
Chokushi. Uti mikapa.
Mikapa.
So greet them and tell them your
I want to party.
You want to be part of the national organizer competition. Just can you talk to them?
No, you. Me abe kweti ahi. Na national organizer ama ye party. Mr. Nyame che ama be kweti be bua mi. Na last 3 years ma olibi manzanga. But next year Nyame bua na be buchi. Enekio. Mbele che mo holibi. Eti ama be bua mi. Na makwa juma kuso ba fama mi kuso mo wa yo. Eti ama kweti mi damase.
In other languages that you are comfortable?
Mpabu chobe siram madaruma. Mushemi munia ni kwa Titus Glover. Efa ejuma ya war form organization ya party bebe jine ya pobia ni semu idu. Obia ni war form. Obia ni kasa war form. Abeka nyina edi ya boom. Na ejuma sonwa organization of the party no. Yebetu abesum. Kane mi ko bi eka kete say. Na Nyame Adom Mpensenpensenmu. Ba me gidi ka kire me say afi ye bie kwan a na Nyame to so paguso a meba na ma bepiru bi na mon kai me meba mo naso mako say dia me ye ne nanu no ye Nyame me ikwanye pesa me nya ke idi hisinga hiyo aminye no ni kwa Titus Glover ka bo ni leo epi obi boko ne amabiliblo ke hawo party no koto ma me na ma wo na mingela makpalima ya for national organizer lo ngene pekpai ma hiya na ndike banyene no kake na makofonye hem nye wam na nuchu manye mara chule saminya la ipanye pe ke biesuo ye wam ne manye machu no ne wapineki nyemme gange dangwele fe ko beni awiepi nuchu mo le shpon nuchu mo ni mfe ko dang in polling station executive in your constituency assistant secretary at Tema East, in fake campaign team member, 2000 elections, 2004, 8, all the way in Bachuni party, in your MP, in serve your parliament, as a deputy ranking member for Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism, in my chairman of that same Committee of Tourism, Trade and Tourism, in serve 8 years appointment committee, members holding office of profits. In your deputy minister, in your CEO Vaco, in your regional minister. Okay, but no chumo na chumo shpole. Mani makaka, mani machulo juba. Machule ke mi jole. Ke ni mo boy shimo bona fini. Ni chumo wonyo wachu. Ebuzafu anape mi cheche won. Make am fancy. Ana onya dem. Na ejuma no o ejuma wo fom. Organization di political party bia eku biala ni bibiara jina na organization do. Ye obi a nsɛm edulu obi a edwuma wode hye ne nsɛm a obetum aye edwuma ma no akɔde nyim pempesu biala ntimi sere wo onchel ye be bi ekwan no obi a mekɔ na no mekɔ bi ɔka kitikiti dey mantumi anya but afidi migidi de Nyame ya Adom na wo bi ekwan na mekɔ bi na waboam na mabasom won ye kajutum na onya na wode be mengu so wakam fantinum ye ba be ye edwuma efom edwuma ama ye hunde ampa edwuma no ndefom on the for me be organize na me tinkran na me organizer member won Adom konkonkonkonko se wo chawo se wa east wa central da fi mabusi isao jirapao lambusio omfande golu o yes sisala west sisala istum ni nyala ye be won azon konkonkonko bole bamboy so letuna ka ba damango daboya mankargo yape kusugu salaga sakbabe ene pembenya ye be ho nyala ya nfum me ya besu
okay sure money aba student loan trust fund deputy CEO
Amine
Area Kojo Dankwa, always a pleasure to have you around. The BBI kama more manage fund ni
ye go so pa ye manage ye fund ni so unim say en China ye de the no fee stress de a shasia and me no ka say ye nuanom a omo public tertiary institutions and omo apply for the no fee stress Menoka say, as of now, we have paid in excess of about 60,000 a year Ghanaian.
As of now?
Yes, we have paid about 60,000, a little over about 60,000. Menoka say, you are validating about 20-something thousand by close of the week. Be na womonso womonsa account womu esika. It's about the student loan a trust fund. Yegusua ye bo adwuma hwese the students womo ye nkofo a ye ne omu dinkita ho no sebe omo nso kwan a womo fa so enya sika de bo omo suku ho bra no omo benya ne kwan pa so a omo mfa ohaw ene amane hunu bia mu nti oman oba the student loan trust fund ene magusua ekoso yi pa.
Okay, na party mti say
party there say wa onim emu ayede because party no wo aban no and aban no ye niema sabe for the past 8 years ye hunu bie enti party no mo ayede na o ka party ase ma memfa sa akonya iso na ye owura ono ye the executive secretary to the president Dr. Callistus Mahama ene na woda.
Oh wow.
Ye mano awoda pa oman zi papa we no ho se me boni di na me ka na asem a eto da bia na mani kra ye den atete. You see oyobia oye very meticulous, oyobia oye very principled, oyobia part of what aye adwuma or hwese obia sebe nia ese efata no nsa be den ebeka. And you see it is not just in power penna Dr. Callistus Mahama hwaye saade we o. Even in opposition kra oman obagia di say Dr. Callistus obi a oye adwuma bia watu ne ho asi ho se oye tu ho acha adwuma bia papa no ohwese obepia saafo no me emra na ye opposition. There was a time President Mahama back campaign as the Eastern Regional Communication Officer. I was in charge of the stage MC of the program. You call I think it was a Betifi constituency. Na mi wie program me invite president ne amanfo na medin kita ho. Me yes MBC famwa na lawyer Partisan no. E frɛ me sɛ Kwadwo Dr. Callistus Mahama ehwehwɛ. Na otene kam na medi mirika de hye na me call papa ne kam. Me call ya no de ne sa hye no Kwadwo, you are doing so well. Jiwe ya na de atofu a. And I was so shocked. And apart from no na ye wo Forum for Development and Accountable Governance so ba kaya na ye kodwam na ye kwa ha na ye say Dr. Callistus Mahama, there were times what me through ye nuaba lawyer Partisan. Oh mo ya de o e kwan be so ye betimi afabo o otimi fa phone etimi frɛ Kwadwo Dankwa mo ya de ye serew pe bibi mo obro mo mfa nya adwuma na mo ye. And ye ba pa we oman obaji atumu say mamu wa ne mabawa ye te ye hugu montana so ye adwuma no. And almost everybody anya baabi a den ahye metimi abobodin hwe obi ti se mi nua erikeje hwe obi ti se ye nua asafo agye a ne ye kana asemu a owo scholarship secretariat hwe owura samijamfi hwɛ obi te sɛ binua pita akwasi ɛyɛ mensa ɛne mmabunu bebree no a yɛyɛ adwuma no ɔman yɛba yɛ aban ama yɛn nsa anya den ɛnsi fam and one of the key people omo play a very pivotal or critical role in making sure say yenmu mmabunu no a yɛyɛ adwuma no sɛbe yɛn kɔfa nkɔfo mfia manone na yɛmfa adwuma ne memam yɛmra yɛyɛ adwuma ne yɛnim wɔm yɛmfa appointment ne mom no bebree na anya appointment no ɛnam ɛyɛ owura Dr. Callistus ɛyɛ Mahama Ensaso ɛno ti yɛmfa ɛnɛ ɛdai enka sɛ ɛyɛ Dr. Callistus yɛmo ayiko yɛma wɔ happy birthday yɛbɔ nyame mpaeɛ sɛ ɔma wo enkwatentene ɔma wo ɛyɛ ahoɔdene na nyankopɔn no ankasa nso a wɔ ne ntaban kɔreɛ no so yɛbɛyɛ musuo ɛbɛyɛ akwansideɛ ɔhaw ɛne owuo akwanhyiadeɛ nyankopɔn empa emfiri hɔ emfama wo na ɔnya wo kɛseɛ.
All right, yeah, Doc, I think 96 is okay. At 96 you don't need anything again, Doc. So 96 is sealed. Happy birthday, and may you enjoy the fruits of your labor. So important with this good testimony. Tikoswana yekesiesa. How do you see this headline, the Ghanaian Times headline? It says that it's, read it out and then we are fighting Galamsey, so I want us to, yeah.
Oh.
How do you see it?
Today is a marathon, not a sprint.
It has always been, but I'm saying, how do you see it? The minister is speaking to that effect.
I see, I say. Okay, Ebrana, Yawa Bemuna, Galamsey, as we Jinasuya, Nayaka it's not a one-man fight. It needs the support of everybody.
Collaboration.
Nayana, and so assume. Said because the people are so recalcitrant. Say, we need Ubia supporter. Vijirigu. You know when this for say Debbie. They sat on a high horse. I think this is my second time. I mean,
could you do
I think what I do with them.
Yeah.
They sat on a high horse. A catcher and said, Debbie, Mr. Akufo-Addo is complicit. Or Kahubi. And the Yeye Galamsey. Kase big and ne what the Sami Gevi, what can I not do? The NDC have been emboldened at Galamsey, no. And so now, Oko Jina no your press conference, one sanko obium. So saw your press conference, Sami Gevi. He led the whole team there. And I'm going to press conference and so not say. And don't call back and don't go to so no. It is saying.
So maybe some reminders will help you. The minister says that 427 excavators seized in targeted operations against illegal mining. The minister says that blue water guards are non-confrontational but act as intelligence officers.
Blue water guard who no phone we say.
Don't men kasenti me mindful of it.
Obeto ajare.
No men kasenti.
E so men kasenti. Who na fo. NDC ever say executive na fo say. Obeto ajare.
I say intelligent.
Please.
I say they are non-confrontational but act as intelligence officers.
Let me do my analysis
and raise local awareness.
Please. You be alcohol.
Illegal mining not easy, but we will definitely prevail.
This is all populist. We did the same thing. You had the crashers, machines. You had the Galamseyers. It's the small scale miners. So move free sonum and use the crashers to crash. You move free sonum. Young for guards and call. We bought a lifeboat. When you know, and this what is saying, Papa. Papa. We had soldiers on the ground, police for our form, a kutiaye. Yebre yebano mojane, womu de na wa to nyeba. Mumra, na mbe Galamsey. Dunkwaye. NDC chairman had the courage or catch us sending command the mube eden wa munko. Na wuntia mpona chuma mponuya, one of the NDC chairman. I have it on my phone. have it on the phone. And then in their time, Galamsey site, you know, you dump, fuel dump, you the free tower, you be free for the gum, you the excavators, every machines, you know, munko dia so apa jenja west here. Drip machines, I di buy, di infanye jumu in Aviluka. You know, you this is a machine you call Galamsey. Ono kofi boa, me senior. Uncle Lembele, or no the constituency, ye to Galamsey. Who come, I felt say Bole, President Krum, ye to Galamsey. So what are they telling us? Now is a marathon and not a sprint? I totally disagree.
They've identified the challenge.
Please,
They've moved further, not like you people. Now they've called two relevant. They've called two relevant people. Two relevant people in their sector.
I understand.
Setup, yeah.
Professor Jambo boy. And I got you post. That was Shipper's authority. Have they got the nerves to speak about Galamsey? All those who are calling themselves, and then saying civil society, Omukasa among you, they are all no taking sides. They've all taken upon person. Can they talk about Galamsey? Can the NDC be sincere to themselves and bold enough say they are fighting Galamsey? Can they talk about it? Go and see the water. Go to NJ. Or see MP. MP, you know what I'm saying? That's Western, one of them. Go and see what is happening there.
So what do we do? President Akufo-Addo his presidency was online.
Yes.
John Mahama is saying that it's a national emergency.
Oh,
now
since when did he recognize that?
It has always been.
But he knew that in opposition. Sir, your Galamsey fight,
your approach when you had power is quite different from their approach. In their case now, as we talk, excavators in Combo, a couple of time nebu afasu.
And see that they go go
and I'm saying a couple of time nebu
afasu. And I'm see SCZ 40. You did see honey. You did bet you not take the trigger. I don't want to buy. Those excavators do have wings to fly. More wings on fly. Go and see the port.
So what are
what I say? Anti say a marathon, say emergency. Me say the way we were able to fight the Galamsey, one catcher and say, you know, and so let say a mob when I was government, wouldn't the way I spoke vehemently against Galamsey.
So what
I spoke so passionately about Galamsey.
Then about we I when you saw and I didn't have so much.
Because Nanuna or can't say state of Kasa state of emergency to declare Galamsey site as state of Omaya.
Okay, so
say what you want when you say and yesterday state of emergency you then you can declare the state of emergency and declare all these mining areas are a danger. Last week was the last 2 weeks. You have an AC region. One of the areas, you see, why?
Remember my insight, but you know, but Nana, at Chikasi, our Toshu 9, or my henny keeps 3 points. Nana Marche.
Yeah, on my henny.
Nana Marche.
Yeah, Nana, on my henny, also.
Wadarma, Bibia Boko, or Fidie.
But Bibia Boko, on my henny.
Good. You better but I'm sure your conversation or interest keeps 3 points. Is that correct?
Yes, keep 3 points.
And then you will former good year appear one.
My Meda was na Michie for. May a point of correction, Katra. May Nana, I check it here. Method to Sian. And yet the fourth.
Okay.
Method to Sian.
No, I don't fetch me.
Now, make you pending for so I would be on. On my hand, Cape 3 Points is a very beautiful tourist area. Now, Cape 3 Points is so assassin according to history, I'm better, you know, good war. But minimum penny for the I said, since a whole son, young per se, best no, because your forest is so a brofo battle. But Minu can say, old assemblyman, new assemblyman, and the mere Mebusman for small boys to be a common paid man. They've gone out to gather people to come. Almost as many but they take money and let the people destroy the land. Maya new bia obetumi ache nkofo. It is a much me aboame mama mpenimfo abehwe. Ni esi this ade no 3 pointer and kabaya me defa.
West.
Na ebebe na sha ase.
Oh, this year ya na sha ase. Oma for semia from last year here say the neighboring towns no here ye na me say me be me pene.
Wow.
Pekla Tama NPP was no Metal then regional minister or by a council Oberezi Galamsey Assemble Ahimfono Yebi. That time no make attempt Mame call Kobiho then regional minister. Me call no order me to the MC Mekoshia MC in the police command. They didn't come even to see. Say, the Mekoso. If you're having Galamsey, maybe a 3 points, dear men pet, penning from your pet Galamsey was 3 points. But Palano Mumpay humanity. They even are not doing the work themselves. Only this cow of Galamsey is no. Then they give them the land, which shouldn't be so. Because assassinate on the is 2 land. No one in penning for any between every assassin, but they go and take money and let the people destroy the land. So, see, I mean, no, because ensure Thomas almost almost saying you.
Hey, but what draw police for attention? What draw minister attention?
My draw police for attention. And they are no paying them a penny. I catch him say. Police for now me draw more attention to that down. Mura or say nanasa omo but me bush campaign catch them say police for no bahon. It seems they were cooperating even with the Galamsey.
Now I don't know. Mercy Cratch also what bonamanie.
Oh my me hold on. Because of the violent nature, any disrespectful nature, yes, the youth normal area or behaving. When you take such matters to some penny for the they can't even act.
Hey.
We need the national security.
But
because the treatment on my hand, one may invite to or no abbe. You will lighthouse, very beautiful water. The only coastal belt with forest, this young guy is going to destroy it.
Hey. All right. Now at Chetia Seoto Sunisia, or my hen keeps 3 points. Nana, the best that baby tram for you who are there, who Judy Kakra. The baby tram for you in Yena. Yes, we are in paying for today. We are having this conversation and that's it for your input. Why? Thank you so much. Okay, so that's it.
So come on, you see the impunity. Galamsey is kosono. Kasa NDC for Kasa Wichiri.
There be many NDC.
Reset, but no, who solve it? Resetting any. Resetting Ghana. Who will fight Galamsey? You already emboldening the people. Minya because Kasa Mukasa baby brain, you know. Who will be busy. Now it is so painful. Now who should say they are kosono? They are helpless. You see, they are being beaten by their own words. The way you describe the Galamsey. For me, I want it to be solved. President Mama Savumaya, because apart from food production, it is gradually eating into this
everywhere. Everywhere.
And who did they want him poison? Who did you? And you are so for now, we use some profits.
Oh my goodness.
Buying civil society for. As for the media, you are so wonderful. You are so wonderful. What are those NDC apparatchiks? The Samijan V's, Mibato Timinchain, all those characters that spoke vehemently against the Nado. Today they are mute. All of a sudden they are dumb. I'm to be in Kasa. About Galamsey. Because, Benvo Muno Kamasem, Uchatro, Sabo Safwa, Ayira, Uwe Kampunechi. And then Sema Mukenyano, that is what is hitting on your face. Now Ukaja says a marathon. Marathon, who says so? President say emergency. Since when? And the media, you just the show them. When be on no. It's on them. That's how they should do it. But I will continue to speak against Galamsey, whether I'm in government or we are in opposition. For me, I'm a fisherman. I'm a grandson of a fisherman. I will not sit down for anybody to come and deplete the ocean in terms of fish stock. What I say? And the young woman, I did my natural service in Enchi. Village 12 miles from Enchi. Who do Enchi my 4? We start left here. Ekose wom, Kramokrum, in Kwanta, Ammonia, in Kwanta number 2. They would do so woof for now conquer the war. Those days, a crash, I'm talking about 1989, my 6th month natural service. Naga kotako for no maba bebre. Or you never pamunya mungo. Minya Galamsey wa. Now wouldn't you for resident and none in Nabana UG, Titi4 no. Uko kwa bese akoya yamba. Tuesdays I am kwa, and not Thursday kwa. Yeah, mamma. You know the reason why? Because they want to put fear in the people to make sure they be conserve, preserve, South Forest. Dear Casino, Casero, so we find a Casero so pure water stream. Who the abine, who the sensuality and no, it's so pure. And then I say because of Galamsey. Hey, yeah, Erastus, me monitor the debia. They are so the size of a football park about 20 machines. A boom. I yes so now. In Sotano, I say.
So
resetting.
It's not about the resetting.
It's resetting.
About the ahead of us, the danger ahead of us.
It's a resetting.
We need to help solve this problem. Kojo, Nadiana is still here. Sakoba Musa Kubu, Edian, Aswadian. What's happening there? Wenchi, right? Yeah.
Yenya, Nesti Akumi, the Kurum Wenchi.
Hi.
Honamona, Sadiano, Ekokusi. Now, you see, normally, no. Oshe, a mining companies, no, but be or more a 2 more, you know. Edidi no say Krumafo no, and your friend Kuli no. Na wo mafo mo so no mafa omo head pan na omo kodwiri kakra no mo so mahoro na omo anya bibi kakra ade be chen omo beto aduan ayede edi omo saafo no kra no mahene sika omo nya no enye sika bia kire so and over the years de bia yete se amena ebugu amanfo so still
omo ye
amanfo eguso a eko and for me, odwene ho a wonye den onte ase esa wonim se ba bia mi ku ya mena ebetimi a den abu agu me so still na omoko but I think say the Eastern Regional Minister Mpensenpensenmu wo eye Puemantem asem no masom a omo hwese wo se ba bia ye hwe na ekokosi na NCBO no omo edi ho dwuma eti omahene omo guso omo di ho dwuma mana omahene eye Galamsey asem yi me nanka eni wo kwan se ye betena ha kra na ye de politics se ne honorable nim because omahene in 2017 emra mo eye nsenkyerefo mo ka se ehu behia se yakutia eye Galamsey sabre no mampanyi na na no kra na onye na adwene so obekutia Galamsey because proud to that no akoka se e wo se ehemu kena in 2016 proud to the 2016 election ba mo so mu no mampanyi ka se me presidency at on the line. And on I can say on record that almost every individual in the NDC, including myself, all of us were singing one song. One song and they saying, the Tauman Penyechi said on Kuntia a Galamsey.
It cannot be entirely correct.
Hold on. They never supported us.
No, allow me to build a point.
Yes, I have a for all the videos.
Oh, Babetiasie. Nabotre. Na bro fia bo consider ko hwe. Nabotre. Sabre no, emre chance ye the fight no, ye nina ye support o mampanyin na Danko Akufo-Addo. Until such a time, ye hunu say say no mampanyin no ye nkrokro the drum. And sana we turn our guns onto the president. And the enti ni ye ka say no oya drum. The enti aye ka say at a point in time our forest reserves and as a quiet brain to a ye nanom nchirim omde ja nchirima say nchirima da ma ye bia ye medidi mo no. Omampenyin na Adan Kwakufuado ene na aban e de ko parliament anasa Ghana mra chebedwam e hye mra to so se yetimi de Galamsey fo se wo munkokotu eye efemagudie wo ho.
But what have you done even if
power? So ana make say
amend or tweak.
Not me, but
it was a revocation of that. But you have come to tweak or amend it. In opposition. This law was going to be revoked.
The forest reserves, no, and my party for party, yes, because we go to a good and nearby a minister or say 9 forest reserves. Nanka ye nuano matie simu omutu famagudie se no ene ya gini na from sam we ya dia minister abeka ye guso aye you see me na me pese we dia be politics because sabe aye Galamsey nsam no ene how de ba o man enka kwadwo da nkwanko a e ka obi bia etina ko no abo betina hai we 5 months in aye friends and power at least I was saying we support send ye ka say a marathon as a national ye na ye kasa fa send ye chance ya na ye in 2017 no am I out there make I say you see amra ye NDC for ye chance ye can about Galamsey na ye twe na ado ne MPP for abamu no it was because of omsuni omoban bi because at a point Mpensenpensenmu kote anti aye Galamsey aye tax force wa ye kofa obi so meye aye secretary to it ya chi nipa bi wo video so a wo mo exchange sika ne ya makwan sa manfo nko ye ne ense na efata Mpensenpensenmu na ka if he was minded and ka sa nkofo na o senko he na ohwe o maso kwantwe o mu na so e ho ne ehunu se dabi ne ya koso no se ya nkasa ntia na ya ntu Mpensenpensenmu na Kufuado ne MPP fo a wan hwe ya o mbe se Ghana nsase ene Ghana nsuo ene yemfu eno ti ne sha se ka ho asem enye say we were against the fight a friend say against Galamsey no
Mr. I kwa de me be so be say wa ho odin e de akoye na akoye se o be se oye ntwachia Mr. Enti wa unim de mo party for akeka dada in fact to the extent that this present communications minister the word that he used for the stoppage of Galamsey illegal mining was very offbeat. I'm saying that I admit that the president says that it's a national emergency. We all have to put our hands on
the deck.
To support.
Oh my God. I don't know all of us. We put our shoulders to the wheel. Oh my God. So kasa. So, but maybe they are many politics. Meno me your man bapa. Me your beer. Ghana da makoma so it's my buy yeah kind of politics yeah be kind of send
so all hands on deck
exactly
mesre say I am muntu mu party for ne fu sa na me kan and obi ani wa all your illegal mining now obetima ga say MPP ni it's not true we did it to them the MPP at Wasekrop and when we went there and we saw some of the people that clearly die in the wool MPP people in fact they were throw report say report no e be nya no yi say be den ye hu hwe these are great people in the MPP so what I say and me can say say na when they were NDC obinya akukudro MPP breso aka so ono okudi nanim akoye e former gudi adwuma e ntu no no it's not possible and the same thing has happened so if we all don't come together like the president is saying national emergency an emergency is an emergency void of partisanship na yen solve sa ade no
quick to say Galamsey fight no sebe enya de a edafem
enough
so the question is sisi aban be fa Ghana banwa busumi nsiam ane enam ni ana meboa the question is ade na ya de boa to make sure say the fight against Galamsey no ye betumi ako aman enema bia ya and mama take this opportunity na ye educate listeners and your viewers about some of the things that and then me no can say machirem ese 9 forester and kind ye de man na nka yetumu e form agudie yenya even some regional chairman omuko tu form agudie wo forester Mpensenpensenmu ebeyi omuti say omu de enye Galamsey no moye no all those 9 forester no and under His Excellency the President and under Amakufibua yetumi ama yensaka all those 9 forests.
Okay, so hold on. Let's watch Reverend Steve Mensah, Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry, and Okasa Chirivia. We'll come back and wrap up. And then Komono. It's so pleasant that politicians, in a position is different, in power is different. In power is different, in a position is different. We need to drift from that point. Real. We should be very nationalistic and patriotic. There's basically everything wrong with our fundamentals now. If Yakoso Dada, just a solution to Galamsey is taking us for God knows the number of years. But all of us. Pachoya admitted say a national emergency. Yeah, admitted say Idi Agura man ebe jiegu from ne aboyeso. Ne entry MPP NDC no and conscience can then care more and find a solution to it because the security men are involved, journalists are involved, businessmen are involved, politicians are involved, chiefs are involved, pastors are involved, the shoemaker is involved, everybody is involved now. Opinion leader is involved, assemblyman is involved, DCS are involved. So it's a canker. That's why it's a national emergency. Let's address it from that angle than to say, what has gone on? Water blue or blue water guards, tracking system, drones, a national security surprise visit, all those things have happened before. These are not solutions to it. Let's be real in solving the problem. All these things have been clear off. On these particular issues and matters of road, health, education, we should be so patriotic to save the country from breaking down or collapsing. Reverend Steve, so what's your input?
Also for the greed of money for themselves and their families are destroying our water body. May God kill all of them. The people are committing genocide, poisoning our waters. And we are looking on and playing politics around it. It's evil, it's barbaric. The people who manage our water say that, look, now there are children, they found mercury, cyanide, and things in their blood, causing cancers and limbs. You will see the water is very clear. But when you take it to the laboratories, you see chemicals. That was what they said on TV. The woman said that the fact that our water is clear and you are drinking it does not guarantee that the water is chemical and cyanide free. Some of the politicians, some of the opinion leaders, some of the chiefs are involved in the pollution of our waters. And God don't punish them. God don't punish them for destroying our water bodies. How can you compare a few hundreds and thousands of people and the activities killing 33 million people? Foreigners have entered and they are mining on our waters, and we are looking on. What kind of a people are we? Can you go to China and go and do Galamsey in China? Can you go? Which country can you go to and go and do Galamsey there? It shows the weakness of our system. That foreigners will come into our country, go into our forest reserve, and then our water that are clean, and they will mine in the water and pollute the water, and we are looking on playing politics with it. Any politician, any chief, anybody in our water bodies and polluting because of the money for their pocket, and our systems are being poisoned. May God kill them first. And we have the army, we have the military, and we can't enter the forest and arrest these people and stop all forms of Galamsey. We can't do it. It means that we ourselves, we are inside and we have interest and we are lining our pockets. And anybody here who is in Galamsey, get ready to die first. Our waters have become Milo. Milo is mass murder. This is stupidity and nonsensical. And when I see Chinese people carrying guns and they have corded off the area of the Galamsey and they are now threatening our citizenry from not coming to stop them, and you see our military men. These military men are also there and they have also expressed interest. So this government must not fail the Ghanaians people. This government, because the previous government, they toy with our river bodies and they have passed. This new government, they should rise up and do the work. They should deport all foreigners, Chinese, whatever, all those who are polluted. They should deport, they should arrest them, deport them. The word I hate cry in my life is that your friend is saying Galamsey there. And you best stop here, and me and you may they won't you best stop. Am I in Galamsey? How do I stop Galamsey? Am I in the army? It means that the people who can stop it, the military, the police, they should do their work. I'm a pastor, I'm preaching. The best I can do is what I am saying, that this is mass murder, it is genocide, it is killing our children, and it must be stopped, and it must be stopped now.
Reverend Steve Mensah, Charismatic Evangelistic Ministry. So you disagree to the issue about makers is a collective responsibility. We are preacher. It means we are broadcaster. But one film. It is those who are mandated to work on our behalf. No, one necessary. But we are going to wrap up in the next 4 minutes. But this is so shocking. My dear friend just sent this one to me. Daniel Apia, so sorry. Losing your daughter, okay, in UST. 21 years.
Oh.
Abba.
How many years?
21.
Wow.
But Daniel, I can't believe this. Oh, you should have waited for me to complete the program already. The late Daniela Apia, it's so terrible. A product of KNUST, radio for currency.
Not all levels, eh?
I think so one for level now, but
Our condolence.
I mean, for
Hey,
the
Condolences.
it's not easy.
Am I and Toa?
I'm telling you.
said that. Hey, yo.
Guys.
Hey, yeah, pa.
Let me wrap up.
Am I?
So far,
me
catch it.
di
Monso
si
mo
no.
monso mo.
Yenti-
Mama fe me ka wo.
Enti no, me di si no.
Yeah.
Ye busu osofo nyame nhira. We bi ye pe no. Na ye kire sofo say nyame nhira woni na achi ye busu aye den. Ye solve it. Na making 9 forest reserves. O man yaje. Uye no so to nchen ya na me no ka say eye illegal licenses I dem about 55 of them. Ye revoking.
And no kwa na 962. The potential to revoke all of them.
Yes, 907 under review.
Good.
907 under review. Ebio 1,345 a year excavators. A friend is saying, and Kofu a year Galamsey, Yachibom. Excavators 425. Yaje. Besi Nesemino say, yeah. Yes, I excavators in Wahonoma. A year Munkofu, I almost don't to me in your day. Oh, there be a on my end. On my henny. Ebio. O share bibi to say your friend is saying excavators I near the bomb my one kasa o kan wasa. Aka me no ka say o port o me be park. Because your person your hwese excavator bi e ba bia na di kan o say license. Ne to so mienu I was see etimi track excavator say ayo man hene na de ba ya ti say
be specific job.
Mu a enim so man hene wo ho na be de be ba. Wo ne be wo ba answer yes ade. You see we must start from a point. And sana yetumi aye fight no yetumi win a fight no.
I'm happy. This is when you have power talk. I'm so happy with the way you are talking.
Exactly.
You have power now.
Oh yes. So we are going to use the power to make sure say near was here you be.
All right.
Am I no can blue water guard?
Yes, blue water guard. Yeah.
Look, and I mean can say blue water guard no. Who say you no misconstrue no to mean say omo ne amanfo kokko na bi. Am I no kire no. Say omo no madwuma omo ye ne intelligence gathering.
Yeah.
It is a
they are not confrontational. They cannot confront. But as intelligence officers.
It is a foot is a many of my hand. Yet you could have Nediana so the Niato your training. Who say will be up Hana into a Waha, license. No, I tip it off to the operational team. Then the operational team will take over. Not your hesse. A year 1 year war, yes, I born for some of my hand. You better not ye had a year free. Oh, my, you see. Me fast akwen so
4 minutes over the nyina.
Oh na ye pon eza and honorable mama fa we say also our power on some doors.
What I can
on some doors.
What I can say.
Am I here? One thing I was say can ye bo abaso. The IGP of the Republic of Ghana. Ura ye ho. Look, I was interacting with some police officers. Omo ka say yo ho no and then the Marantia no and near my yet to fight a yet Galamsey no. Am I hearing a dear and nothing
good
and Senka Yenya and Penifua or my own I didn't say I just saw a queen on Babuamaya. I could see every year. My Kasabri would have made a year your friends and some strides in the fight against a year Galamsey.
Okay.
But Jimmy said, Sadly, we knew who can say a horse a dear man or some. John Abu, what Sabre 6 months into a year power.
Yeah, mama space kakra.
Now you to me fighting against the menace of a year Galamsey. Senia mobile 2017 ya boa mo kodu ba bi ehunu say agent some party.
Yes, so national cause in Okay, so we are counting down. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The number is 0241 234 star 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 0241 234 star star star. You won for yourself 1,000 cedis. It's continue track star. Hey, wherever you start, 241, right? Okay. 281 hash, yes. Option 4. Now they did but that's the winner for the day. Wrap up.
Let me set this record straight. And you know, correct. Say NDC were enormous support to fight Galamsey. Right from the one. Please, book us and my Eddie Misro. We never had their support right from day one.
They were a distraction.
Because Omu who said that is the only panacea to be the attack President Abang to come to power. So you never had any support from us. They're too back. So for as they should go back and see what is happening. These are rhetorics. The people are damning our work from what you to Galamsey. So don't come and sit on national TV. Most of the BB series.
Accountability series.
Confirm negotiate the cost.
They are counting to us.
Come now, go and see what is happening there.
Okay.
What does here? Negotiate the cost. Catch a president. Me am opinion. His Excellency. Uncle na catch your ball. Ye to Galamsey.
Oh yeah.
Ye to Galamsey.
That is why the president feels that it's a national
emergency. Ye to Galamsey.
Commit to national emergency.
Please.
Commit to it.
Natri. Nyabutre. O kasere nyano to ayampiano nyanamiti. Mia Billy, Honorable Minister for Lands, go to Lembele. It's happening live.
Okay, Elmisia.
So no, Nyanyasia, o kasere onyamota. What I'm saying is there. Osisi say yam boa omo. Me ni power. Me ni abemu. Manufa fe ya na medbe kasa. Una wo to me no. Undeclared state of emergency. No? They should declare the state of emergency. That was their mantra. To declare the state of emergency.
Thank you so much.